Okay, so I just realized that I left the goats out, so I'm just gonna go put them away. Wow, so amazing. It's so amazing. I like it though. Looks like they tied themselves up. I'll let them free. So you can read, boys. There you go. I'm going the wrong way though. But that's how it is, I guess. No one told me it was going to be like this. But one thing that I find is that if I carry one of the kids, and the other one will follow. So this is half pine, and that's half rest. Half pine and half rest. So watch this. Come on. He's not good. Come on, boy. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Hopefully. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. Go home, little ones. That was a little longer than it needed to be. Ah. Just trying to close it. It doesn't close all the way sometimes.
Yeah, chickies. Aww. Look, count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Mama. Yay, we got the heat lamp in now. Poppy's gonna put new hay in the bed. Well, you wanna hold one? Oh. I think they're getting sleepy. It's almost time to sleep. Wow, nice hay for their bed. Nice hay for their little bed.
Someone give me that one. She's sleeping.
She's just been closing her eyes. I'm just been trying to keep her warm against me. But at least she's not toppling over. Yeah. Hopefully tomorrow morning she'll be. Oh. Yeah, but she's okay. Like, I think she just got wet, you know, because they climb in the water. And she got wet, and she was just cold outside. So hopefully with the heat lamp, they'll feel a lot better. Because they are tired. Look, they're all closing their eyes. They're going to get in their little pile right now to go to sleep. Guys, stop moving it. I mean, we'll find out tomorrow, but I'm sure she'll be okay. With the lamp? Yeah.
Okay.
But they're all ready to go to sleep anyway.
Okay, back up, girls.
Okay, let's show what we did. Be somewhat better.
Still more to go, but
Yeah. But even like, you know, I still think it's better.
careful. Careful. Whoa. The vessels where something. In the vessels where something were to be put out of the pure gold. The candlestick with all the vessels thereof weighed a talent of gold. He made also the altar of incense of satin wood, being a cubit on every side, full square, and in height 2 cubits, from the corners of which went out horns. And he overlaid it with the purest gold, with its grate and the sides, down at each side, that the bars might be put into them, and the altar might be carried, and the altar be carried. And the bars themselves he made also of satin wood, and overlaid them with plates of gold. He compounded also the oil for the ointment of sanctification, and incense of the purest spices according to the work of Him. Chapter 38. He made also the altar of holocaust of satin wood, 5 cubits square and 3 in height. The horns whereof he